Hi guys, I'm Elena Semenek and welcome to my channel Psychology of Happiness. This is part 3 of the topic how to achieve your goals or how to make your dreams come true. Today we're gonna talk about when you should write your goals. Number 1, when you feel good, when you feel happy, when you feel this power inside you, when you're in a really good mood, you just go and write down everything that you want in your life. The second condition when you should write your goals is when you feel bad. When you feel tired, disappointed, angry, frustrated. Usually it sounds like this: I'm done, that's it. I really want to feel appreciated in my relationship. I want a normal relationship. I want to be happy. I want to meet a person who is gonna love me the same way I love him. So usually in this case, all your emotions, all your feelings, everything inside you are focusing on what you want. Usually in this case, you exactly know what you don't want in your life anymore, and you know what you want instead. So considering 5 rules that we discussed in previous video, take a piece of paper and write what you want. Share your comments below, subscribe to my channel, and in the next video I will tell you about the Harvard University research about why you should write your goals and about the results that they got. See you in the next video and have a good one. Bye. Thank you for watching Psychology of Happiness, where happiness is the purpose of life.